Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. I forgot the name of my own show. I'm back, baby, and I'm going to be back every week. I'm sorry that I've been gone. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite brands that we have, DreamCloud. I have the DreamCloud Premier here. Yes, there is a mattress in this box, a queen mattress in this box. And we're going to show you how easy it is to unbox and set up in your home. We'll speed up the video a little bit, but let me open it up. We'll speed it up and show you. Oh, dear. We're all set here, so obviously it's still a little smushed, but it's been compressed for a while. Give it about 24 hours and it should look like one of our 2 DreamClouds that we're showing right here. So it's a pretty easy process. Took us about 5 minutes. I recommend doing it with 2 people. I'm a little out of breath here. I'm sweating a little bit. It's a little hot in here. Yeah, that's unboxing a DreamCloud. Thanks for joining. I'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.